All right, we will be continuing with chapter 13 this week, but before we do that, I want to talk a little bit about your exam 1 grades. So you can see your grade on Blackboard. If you go to the grade book on Blackboard, it's near the top under just exam 1. And so that's your grade, including any bonus points coming from the review. That's your full final grade on the test. I will pass back paper graded tests on Wednesday that you can take a look at. That you can kind of see where you lost, where you earned points, where you lost points, where you kind of overall performance. I'm happy to talk about those. There is an overall grade calculator on Blackboard now that you can take a look at that will allow you to see kind of how your grade can change. If you go to grade book, under the grade book, there's an overall grade, the very top grade. That is your grade, like overall grade, assuming you do the exact same on all future assignments as you have for this one. So on every exam, you get the exact same grade. On every participation quiz, you get the exact same grade you got on the first one. Every homework, you get the same grade as the average of all your grades you've gotten so far. And so that continues. And so the grade calculator can let you kind of look at how that can change moving forward. As if you were to improve on your exams, if you were to worsen your grades on your exam, kind of that range. So we can take a look at that. There's a little video talking about how to use it, but I can also show you. One thing to remember is your lowest test grade can be replaced with the final. Your final exam is still required, but as long as you're taking 2 of the tests, and now 0 is not coming from academic misconduct, then we can always think you can always replace that final, your lowest grade with the final. So if you're not happy with the grade you got on this one, there's always room to replace it. That's going to do it for this. We got a full normal schedule this week because there's no tests. Back to kind of what we've seen previously. Got a participation assignment to look for questions on. I'll see you in the videos.